Are you trying to create a COSU app but running into a frustrating no active admin error? You're not alone. This is a common hurdle for many developers, and today we're going to tackle it together. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you follow all the instructions only to hit a wall. This no active admin error can feel like a roadblock, especially when you're eager to lock down your app and disable all the exit options. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked, "How do I create a COSU app and resolve the no active admin error?" They followed the official guide, but still faced issues. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So, what does this no active admin error mean? It typically indicates that your app hasn't been granted the necessary device admin privileges. This is crucial for a COSU app, as it needs to control device policies effectively. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that can save you time and frustration when setting up your COSU app. To resolve the no active admin error, the user must ensure that the device administrator is properly set up. First, they need to enable the device admin receiver in the Android settings. Next, the user should implement the necessary code to request device admin privileges. This can be done by creating an intent that prompts the user to activate the device admin. After the user has activated the device admin, they should verify that the admin component is active. This can be checked using the Device Policy Manager. Finally, the user should implement the lock task mode to restrict access to other applications. This is done by calling the Start Lock Task method when the app is ready. Fun fact, did you know that the first Android devices didn't even have a concept of device administration? We've come a long way, and now you can control devices like a pro. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to creating a COSU app involves several key steps. First, create a device administration receiver in your Kotlin file. Then, define and declare your policies in the device admin XML file. Next, ensure your receiver is declared in the Android manifest.xml. After that, log out of all accounts on the device. Then, run a command to set the device owner. Finally, allow list your app and start lock task mode. This ensures your app can run in a restricted environment without interruptions. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your device admin setup on a physical device rather than an emulator. Emulators can sometimes behave unpredictably with device policies. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the no active admin error and successfully create your COSU app. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.